Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Zelle Fee. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. The Zelle Fee is a small charge that may be applied to certain transactions. And in this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of using Zelle Fee step by step. First, it is essential to understand that Zelle does not charge a fee to send or receive money when the service is used through a bank or credit union. However, if you use the Zelle app to send money, a small fee may be applied, typically ranging from 1 to 3% of the transaction amount. To use Zelle Fee, start by opening the Zelle app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Next, enter the amount you want to send and review the transaction details, including the Zelle Fee. The fee will be clearly displayed, and you can decide whether to proceed with the transaction or cancel it. If you choose to proceed, the fee will be deducted from your account, and the recipient will receive the remaining amount. It is crucial to note that the Zelle Fee is only applied to debit card transactions, and credit card transactions are not supported. Additionally, some banks and credit unions may have their own fees for using Zelle, so it is essential to check with your financial institution before making a transaction. To avoid Zelle fees, consider using a bank account or credit union that offers Zelle services without charging a fee. You can also use the Zelle app to send money to recipients who have a bank account or credit union that supports Zelle, as this will eliminate the need for a debit card transaction. In conclusion, using Zelle Fee is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of the service and its associated fees. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use Zelle Fee with confidence and avoid any potential issues. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and check with your financial institution to ensure that you are not being charged any additional fees.